You can always tell who the strong women are. They are the ones that are building others up and supporting their families while holding their own fort and enriching everybody's lives. Welcome friends to my show Cocoon presents Real Women Big Stories with Delnaz Irani. Thank you so much. आप लोगों ने मेरे फर्स्ट एपिसोड को इतना प्यार दिया, इतना appreciation दिया. God has been really kind and I must say you guys are just great. मैंने जब भी एक नया कदम उठाया है ना guys, you've always given me this kind of love, be it TV, be it films, be it reality shows, be it dance shows. जब भी मैं कुछ नया करने जाती हूँ ना, आप लोगों का प्यार है जो मुझे ढेर सारा कॉन्फिडेंस देता है. Thank you for that. And now I am here with my next episode. So guys, today I introduce you to one such strong woman, that is my dear friend Dr. Riya Banerjee Ankola, born and brought up in Allahabad, graduated from Pondicherry with over work experience of 14 years in the field of public health, immunization, reproductive and child and adolescent health and nutrition. She has worked with the National Institute of Health and Family Welfare as a project associate with organizations like WHO, UNICEF and many more. Founder of Food Therapy Program in 2017, where she has been making people eat right and get fit. Isn't that incredible? With so many marvelous achievements in her professional life, let's talk a little bit about her personal life. She is a Bengali married to a Konkani. Her husband is ex-cricketer Salil Ankola. She loves to cook. She loves to feed people. She loves to party. She loves to dress up. She's passionate just about for everything. And she hates negative people around. So let's hear it from none other than the dynamic Riya Banerjee Ankola. भाई रिया, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग ऑन माई शो. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि तुम आई. एंड yes, please sip your adrak wali chai and be comfortable. Cheers Riyu, cheers to real women. रिया एक ऐसी इंसान है जो बात करती है ना जब, तो आप बस सुनते जाओ. So रिया, आपके चाइल्डहुड डेज के बारे में बताइए. What were the few memories that you have with your parents, your education?
Okay. So, well, I am basically a Bengali, a Banerjee, born and brought up in UP, Allahabad. So, it's been like a very, I've been brought up in a very traditional Bengali family, but in a very typical UP environment, and I have studied my entire education. You can't say entire, like till class 12th I studied in St. Mary's, Allahabad, and just immediately after my 12th I was in medical college in Pondicherry.
Okay.
Which was a contrast, and my my childhood and my growing up days were, like, I can say, in a joint family, a very protected environment, and very lot of culture and lot of things around to learn from my family, my parents. And Allahabad itself is a very cultural place, and with the Kumbh Mela, and my entire family had all sorts of these religious festivals and pujas were celebrated like in a grand way. So my mindset has been of a very, I'm a very family oriented person because of that, because I could never imagine myself living alone in a house anymore.
I can vouch for that because रिया जो है वो सबको साथ लेके चलती है और अपनी फैमिली को उन्होंने ऐसे बांध के रखा है. And I also want to tell my audience that रिया के मम्मी, she is also a doctor And अभी कितने साल की होगी रिया वो?
She's around 72.
72, and she still goes to the hospital, she still works,
She
and
still operates.
she still operates, and she's doing a lot of social work in Allahabad as well. So I
she's a
want to
lot.
just tell auntie hats off, Navneeta, right? Navneeta ji ko hats off, because ऐसी mother हो तो ऐसी ही daughter होनी चाहिए भाई. So yeah, Riya, so it's lovely, and Riya has been like a wonderful daughter. I've seen her with her parents, and जो
They love
आपकी
you a lot.
जो आपकी बॉन्डिंग है आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ, यू राइटली सेड, बिकॉज योर अपब्रिंगिंग वाज इन अ वेरी नाइस फैमिली वाला एटमॉस्फेयर, इसीलिए तुमने अपनी फैमिली को आज बड़े ही अच्छे वे में जोड़ के रखा है. कमिंग टू फैमिली, अब फैमिली है तो हस्बैंड की बात तो होने ही वाली है भाई. मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैं रिया और सलिल अंकोला, जो इनके पतिदेव है, इनके बेटर हाफ, and he's been an ex-cricketer and he was a fast bowler for India. आप सब जानते हो सलिल अंकोला को. उसके बाद उन्होंने एक्टिंग भी शुरू की, एंड बहुत अच्छे एक्टर भी रहे, काफ़ी सारे अच्छी सीरियल्स की उन्होंने. भाई हम मिले एक शो पे जिसका नाम था पावर कपल. इट वाज अ शो जस्ट फ्यू इयर्स बैक, बट हमारी बॉन्डिंग ऐसी हो गई ना रिया के हम जैसे सिस्टर्स है, सोल सिस्टर्स. सो रियू, आई वांट टू नो कि ऑफ कोर्स आई नो इट, आई एम श्योर द ऑडियंस वुड लव टू नो कि सलिल से मुलाकात कब और कैसे हुई, एंड जब हुई तो वो किस स्टेज पे थे, एंड तुम्हारी जर्नी सलिल के साथ कैसे रही?
Actually, Salil being Salil Ankola, and we have all of us have seen him on television as a cricketer. So I remember, for me, I'm not a big cricket buff, so for me the only memory was Kabhi To Nazar Milao, that song, you know?
Yeah,
That
with
song,
Aditi.
yeah, with Aditi. And I used to see that song on, like, hear that song on repeat. Obviously, that time, you know, these music channels used to have those videos, so we all, and obviously, you know, I mean, it was a thing where he was Salil Ankola.
Yes,
for
he was
everybody.
he is still a very good looking guy.
What had happened, ये Facebook नया, I mean, we were new to Facebook, I'm sure, in 2009, 10, 11,
Yes.
12. So that's how it happened. I saw Salil's name and I was like, okay, let me send him a friend request. This happened in 2011 sometime, and I don't even remember when I sent him a friend request. 2012, one fine day in April, I think 2012, I just saw 11 or 10 p.m. at night, Salil Ankola accepted your friend request. I'm like, huh? I'm like, I was taken aback. I was like, maybe this is some fake account or something, whatever. But then, okay, accepted. Obviously, when a celebrity accepts your friend request, and I was a busy doctor that time, even now I am, but that time I was like crazily busy because I was working for these field jobs I was working with UNICEF that time, I remember, and I used to leave home at like 7 in the morning, be back at 9:30, 10, and I used to be damn exhausted that time. So, I mean, and then obviously, I mean, I had a daughter. I had a daughter from my first marriage. And Ishi, and so she was a baby, I mean, that time. And I remember, so that time, obviously, I mean, I was legally separated that time, and I was not like really thinking of getting married again or something, because obviously
the focus was something else.
Focus was actually not even to, but yeah, in my, somewhere in the back of my head, I always had that because as I said, I'm a very family person, so I always wanted a family, but I did not know how, because, you know, at that point of time, my trust and faith in men had totally gone down,
okay.
because I was not like very this thing that should I trust another man again, especially with a child. And so this was a very general thing. Salil came up and then he sends me a hi on Facebook, and then we started chatting, and then I just totally refused to believe that this is Salil Ankola. I was like, no, you can't be Salil. How can you chat with me just like that? How can Salil Ankola chat with me? Just, no, if you don't believe, I'll call you. I said, are you sure? Then when he called me, because obviously I had heard his voice maybe on some, you will not believe it, except that Shani, I have not followed any of his TV serials also.
Okay.
Because
Kora Kagaz was very popular.
that my cousins and my aunts and everyone used to see. I was, I think, still in school that time.
Okay. Oh, ये तो सलिल को बुरा लगने वाला है भाई.
Yeah, we are 11 years apart. So,
Okay.
when he debuted for India, I was in class 5th.
Oh my God, one more bomber.
So he himself was going through a lot of turmoil in his life because of family problems and a lot of things from his personal issues, and
Yeah.
he was struggling with a lot of things that time.
Okay.
One good thing about me meeting him, that was a God sent, maybe I
Of
was
course,
God sent in his life, because I have seen alcoholism in my own family tree, as in my cousins, lot of my relatives, lot of people, and my uncles and everybody. So it was not my aunt, so I lost an aunt because of the same. She was just 38.
Okay.
And so my family was such a family who knew each and everything about this disease. So it is a disease, it's not a mental problem.
Yes.
It's a disease which can be treated, if not with too much of medication. In fact, no medication, which I have seen it in Salil's case, and in a lot of people, they give a lot of mind altering medication.
Yes.
I don't believe in that. It's just that you have to work on the person himself and getting back his confidence. So that is how basically I got into Salil's life, when I saw a person who was totally shaken up. And one thing I found which was very nice about him on the very first day, that my only goal in life is to get my children back in my life, Sana and Karan, which has happened today.
Yes.
So, and
I'm just going to cut you here. Salil has several times, not only when we met during the show called Power Couple, but several times when we've met, or I've heard him talk to his friends, or even in interviews, he's also said that Riya nahi hoti to main nahi hota. And it is a fact, guys. I mean, this woman has brought a complete change. And Salil is a completely changed personality today, from what he was to what he became and to what he is today. So Riya, I think, I feel कि जितनी sacrifices तुमने जिंदगी में, हमेशा हम अपने लिए तो जी ही लेते हैं, सब अपने लिए जीते हैं, लेकिन कभी दूसरों के लिए अगर आपने कुछ किया है, so that is something which is commendable. And in your journey with Salil, I would say there are immense number of sacrifices that you've done. So
sacrifices, I'll tell you, I feel we all are born for a reason. We all, and we have to do something or the other in life for which we are born. But this, was something I was 10 years back. This was 10 years back. So right now I am 41. So that time I was 31. Literally end of 20s, beginning of 30s,
which is young.
So I can't say I was so matured enough that I will make these sacrifices and this and that. It all just one certainly I would say is something I learned from my parents. Though I had a bad marriage. My first marriage was a bad marriage. In fact, that was not even, I can't even say it was a marriage only. It was just like for a few months. But
Okay.
yeah, I got Ishi out of that, my daughter.
Yes.
But that was something I can't even count it. But this is something I've learned from my parents, that no matter what, marriages are not made to be broken unless the situation is out of hand.
Uncontrollable.
And that is when, of course, you need to take a call. But this is what I learned from them, I feel, and this is what I applied to the relationship also between Salil and me. And that time when I met him, it was not ki okay, मेरे को इससे शादी करनी. I met a totally broken person, and I myself was not, I can say, totally gathered up. उसका क्या था कि उसको क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़िंदगी में करनी थी वो तो मुझे समझ आता था, because he had given up on life. One is he had totally given up on life. तो उसने जब मेरे को पहली बार मिला नहीं, जब हम बात ही कर रहे थे, मिले तो उसके कुछ दिनों के बाद when I came to Pune for an interview, so that time I used to understand कि this guy is totally, he's lost his confidence. इसको पता ही नहीं कि इसको ज़िंदगी में क्या कैसे करना है वो फिर भी मेरे को समझ आता था, इसको पता है. He really wanted to, especially cricket was his first love, where he's back again now, and television and acting was something which he was doing just because, obviously, for a living, but because of what he was going through, his family issues, his his personal issues like his alcoholism. I can't say it had been aggravated because of certain reasons जो कि नहीं होते तो नहीं होता उसका, ऐसा हाल नहीं होता.
He was also going through a bad phase in marriage. So
marriage, I'll tell you, marriage, now this is the first time probably I am speaking about his first marriage on camera. जितना मैंने समझा है अभी तक, I am very sure that marriage could have maybe been saved if there weren't so many people around to
to complicate
complicate the situation.
Yes.
Because क्या था, though two good looking people who have two good looking cute children, happy people, वो अलग है कि दो personalities अलग हैं, वो अलग है, ठीक है, both of them were very strong-headed, Salil also, she also, but it was, I can't blame either her or him on this. It was just that situation. Situation. जो कि मेरे केस में क्या हुआ, I was maybe 10 years more matured than what they had seen their marriage. Second thing is, being a doctor, I understood alcoholism. तो उसमें क्या हुआ कि that was a plus point on my, and thirdly, my parents were a very big support. My parents were a very big support to me from the beginning, even when I was not legally married to Salil. Tab se they were like, now you are committed to this man, you are in a relationship, and he is suffering from...
So by then, after the conversations, you all were together.
We were together. Yeah, and my parents knew it, my family knew it, but yeah, we were still to legally. हमने क्या किया था, एक जाके ना मंदिर में just एक वो करके कि भाई हाँ, we are living as a husband wife and everything.
Yes.
But the thing is, what happens is, obviously because I come from a very orthodox family, my parents were not very for me living in with somebody just like that.
Yes.
Obviously. Those things are there and it's okay. I respect my parents' views on that. Fine. But what had happened, I could have joined back work, but Bombay did not have any work. Mumbai was like no work for me.
Yeah.
Because public health is all in all these, underdeveloped, developing
Yes.
places like UP, Bihar, MP, all those places.
Yeah.
So either what was happening that I wanted to help him, but एक point के बाद there were too many constraints financially also, which obviously we had to meet everything. So, and I could not expect everything to be done by my parents because they were the only support system for me. So, then one was, and secondly, there was not there was mentally and emotionally and physically also, you know, Salil is huge and he's like, whenever he breaks down, if he, no, it was very difficult. You can't call up friends at like 2 and we did not have any friends like that who were like those 2 a.m. friends की phone किया अभी चलो आ गए, ऐसे कोई type के थे नहीं. So, and the only people I used to call up was my parents. So, my parents also suggested कि इतना कुछ अगर तुम अकेले कैसे करोगे, how will you do it all this alone, you with Ishi, come back, work here and then let him get better, let him decide what he wants to do. And that gave us a very good this thing. And जाने के बाद ही Salil just suddenly started recovering. And then obviously my dream was what to fulfill Salil's dream also, and my dream was to have Sana, Karan, Ishi,
Yes,
everybody
yes,
together, which
yes.
I have right now.
Yes.
So that was not possible sitting in UP or Chandigarh.
Chandigarh,
Or,
yeah.
So when Power Couple came na, the first thing that came to, no, I mean Salil obviously couldn't, because he was not really thinking of coming back to acting. He was in fact doing a lot of things. When I was in Chandigarh, he was doing a lot of things in Dubai cricket and all those things. And but obviously when it comes to Mumbai is Mumbai, you've grown up.
Yes.
And your children are around. So it was a first this thing, if we go there, maybe the children come back, and that's what, and that actually went like that.
अभी जो एक stature है of becoming this nutritionist and helping people eat right. This phase, this happened, I think the thought came in, the germ was there during Power Couple के भाई मुझे fitness की ओर बढ़ना है. I want to get fit first and then help others.
Yeah. You're educated, you know everything about nutrition is a different thing. I had that plus point. I was a doctor, I knew the human body, plus I knew if I am telling you, for example, to eat something, how to eat it. You don't need to grill a chicken every time. You can grill it or you can make it
Yes.
as you. So that's when it came to my mind, and then I put it up. And first, but I lost my own
Yes.
extra bit of weight, and then I was like, because in that
No, you
state,
lost a lot of weight, Riya. जो तुमने lose किया weight, and then
That
it was a
was-
different Riya presented, and then of course your
then I started my
your
thing, yeah.
efforts, and you were so pushy. You are always so aware of things, and you were always on
Wanted to,
social
yeah.
media putting up your own posts. And let me tell you guys that today Riya is very, very successful in what she is doing with her patients. They are all eating right and losing weight, and I am the only one who is naughty, so
No, yeah, I mean, she refuses to listen sometime, many times.
so Riya, coming back to, we were talking about Karan, Sana and Ishi. Ishi, of course, your daughter from your first marriage, and Karan and Sana from Salil's first marriage. ये जब मैं sacrifice की बात बोलती हूँ ना, तो मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि तुमने seriously, मतलब बच्चे, if you were somebody who had just thought कि भाई मैं मेरी daughter को यहाँ लाऊं and हम तीन आराम से रह पाए, because it would be a one small happy family, but you chose to bring all the three kids together. आज मैं देखती हूँ कि भाई जो relationship करण और सना की थोड़े सलिल के साथ भी जब पास्ट में स्ट्रेन हो चुकी थी, a little bit of अनबन जो भी था वो सारा खत्म हो गया है. एंड तुमने ऐसी फैमिली को जोड़ के रखा है, यू गिविंग सो मच लव. बिकॉज मैं बता दूं, करण इज एन एस्पायरिंग एक्टर गाइज, एंड रिया फॉर वन, करण का ऑडिशन है, करण का ये है, करण को ये हेल्प करना है, करण को प्रिपेयर करना है, करण एक्सरसाइज के लिए गया है. सो एवरीथिंग इज अराउंड करण, अराउंड इशी एंड अराउंड सना. एंड मैं बता दूं ऑडियंस को कि सना इज अ मदर ऑफ अ ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल रियाना, एंड रिया इज हर ग्रैंड मदर, एंड शी इज अ डोटिंग ग्रैंड मदर. पूरी फैमिली
She's
को
like
तुमने
sweetheart.
कैसे जोड़ के रखा है, कैसे बच्चे वापस आ गए, and it's a beautiful feeling, Riya.
I'll tell you now. This is something which is very beautiful. Yeah, it was very beautiful. This was a beautiful journey for me because of one thing. Sana and Karan. I mean, whatever they say in that this thing that you're a stepmom and that kind of a thing. I never felt like that, and they never made me feel like that. I mean, of course, I was very pleasant with them. I never forced myself
Yes.
on them. But they have been very good to me from day one, neither Sana nor Karan. Anytime, they have never made me feel awkward or weird, or they have misbehaved with me, or they have said anything that has hurt me. Anything. They were very sensible and very well brought
Which
up.
is what matters.
Very well brought up children.
Yes.
So I can't. I mean, it works that way also. I mean, it was not like a tough thing for me that okay. I mean, now the kid is behaving in such a way. How to handle? I never had to handle a situation.
Okay.
So with Ishi, she was too young, so she had to be molded.
Yeah.
So Salil had to scold her, had to be very, very strict with her, but that is something which eventually Sana made her understand, Ishi, that when I was growing, Papa was like this to me also.
Okay.
Then, because Ishi was too small, she was like, she thought that okay, this man is my father, but he scolds me,
Yeah.
So then Sana used to explain this to Ishi. Ishi, Papa used to scold me like this. So Salil, being Salil, he's a very possessive husband, father, grandfather, everything.
Yeah.
So he can't, if anybody says anything to anyone around, Karan, Sana, Ishi, Rihanna, me, Chirag, or any family member, Salil is like a
Pillar.
all that has been made up right now. Everything has come to this thing because I don't know, it was something maybe God helped all of us.
एक औरत ही होती है जो या तो फैमिली को ब्रेक
Yeah,
करती है
yeah.
या मेक करती है. And I think you've made a wonderful mother, grandmother, wife, daughter, everything put together. And of course, a super professional doctor and nutritionist. I think all in all, your life has been a very happy struggle, I would say.
Yeah.
Struggle हर कोई करता है, लेकिन जब end उनका happy हो,
Yeah.
वही एक success story होती है.
Yeah.
Riya, with your wonderful success story, with your family today, totally like this, being together, all of you bind together, एक ही word कहूँगी, pure love के through.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. That every
भाई ये रिया की तो पूरी कहानी हो ही गई. Now I just want you to give out a sweet message to all those ladies, whatever you feel, Riya, जो तुम्हें लगता है कि आज की औरत, I mean, to all those women out there who are maybe struggling, who have no way to discuss anything with anybody, उनके लिए एक message, please.
when there is a will, there is a way. That is for sure. So, don't stop dreaming.
Yeah.
Don't stop dreaming. When you stop dreaming, your life ends there. मुझे ये करना है. Let people laugh at you. Let people listen to your dreams and laugh. Why are you mad? How will you do it?
Yes.
At the age of 10, I wanted to become a chef.
Okay.
My dream was to become a chef. Today, probably I'm one of those few clinical nutrition doctors, I can't say I'm a nutritionist, I'm a doctor, who shares recipes with her patients, khud ke likhe, and teaches them how to cook. That was my dream. Your dream may be anything. Every woman needn't be a chef. Every woman needn't be the best homemaker. She can do anything. But
Yes.
the dream is what I'm talking about. Don't give up on your dream. You may be a mother, sister, wife, daughter, whoever you are. But you have a dream. Go ahead and achieve it. And I achieved my dream at the age of 40. Not at the age of 20, 18. You may achieve it at that. My daughter is younger one is achieving her dream at this age. She's 17.
Yes.
She's already baking. She has a brand
Is
of
she?
her own.
Yes. Is she bakes wonderful cakes?
Yeah, so she's
and
17 and she bakes
Yes.
very good cakes. That's what. So dream karna nahi chodo. Dream whenever possible. Try to make a step towards it. कि चलो कुछ तो करें. कुछ try to take a. That gives you happiness, and unless and until you are happy, you're internally happy, you yourself
Yes.
are mentally happy, you can't keep anybody happy around you, and you cannot be a pleasant human being. You're always frustrated.
Ria, what a wonderful thought. You've told people just keep dreaming and यही होना चाहिए. And age कोई भी हो, you can dream at any age.
Yeah.
But
you can lose
yes.
weight at any age, you can become fit at any age, you can wear red color at any age.
And that's why I call you this dynamic personality. And Riyu, thank you so much. अब एक थोड़ा सा मजेदार क्विक इस सेशन को ना मैंने कुछ भी हो सकता है नाम दिया है.
Okay.
मतलब तुम मुझे कुछ पूछो, मैं तुम्हारा जवाब दूंगी तुम्हारे क्वेश्चंस का. फिर मैं तुम्हें कुछ पूछूंगी, तुम मुझे कुछ जवाब दे देना. तो जल्दी से कुछ ना कुछ पूछते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज अ क्विक one line for your very messy patients. Messy मतलब जो सुनते नहीं है तुम्हें. Every time that you ये मत करो, whatever you feel like.
Oh, quick one line. Decide what you want.
Lovely.
Decide what you want.
Okay. What is that one thing about Salil that you really admire?
He's a carbon copy of my father.
Whoa!
He's a carbon copy of
Lovely,
my father.
Lovely.
And my father was my idol, and he'll always be my idol. And I always dreamt of a husband like my father. He was also a Piscean. Salil is also a Piscean, and they think alike. So I'm like not missing my father when he's around.
Lovely. And Ria, what is that one dish that you don't love to cook but you love to eat?
सलील के हाथ की मटन बिरयानी.
I thought as much. सलील के हाथ की मटन बिरयानी has to be it. Okay, Ria, अब तुम मुझे कुछ पूछो.
Okay, so what was or is your dream in life?
My dream today is to keep working, to keep doing different things. Of course, acting is my passion and my profession, Ria. मेरी हॉबी मेरा जैसे तुमने बोला ना ड्रीम करते रहो. तो मैंने ड्रीम किया कि मैं एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती हूँ, मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ. लेकिन अब मेरा ये ड्रीम है कि keep on working because I've always been a workaholic and keep doing different roles. And इसीलिए तो ये शो हुआ because I dreamt of something and look, I'm here with the show.
Wonderful,
so, yeah.
wonderful. What is the best thing Percy ever told you?
I think रोज जो पर्सी बोलता है मुझे वो baby I love you, baby I love you. I think that's the cutest. But the best thing he's ever told me is I think एक validation हर किसी को चाहिए रिया. जिंदगी में ना you struggle so much, you do a lot of his validation. I am not saying is he loves me, he's really proud of me, but every time I do something he's always like, Delnaz, I'm really proud of you. baby, I'm really proud of your work. Baby, I'm real. And you know, that
So
pride
sweet.
in his eyes just brings that sparkle, you know, that okay, fine. You know, there's somebody who really loves what you're doing. You know.
He's adorable, no
Yeah.
doubt. And what is, okay, now tell me, what is that one thing which if anybody does or tells you, you would actually slap them, which I can't imagine Delhi slapping anybody.
Yeah, I think मेरे में बहुत patience है रिया.
हाँ, so
You
if
know,
any-
बहुत
like, what is
patience
that
है.
one
मैं I
thing
don't
कि
think किसी को
ये-
थप्पड़ मार सकती हूँ.
बट नहीं, मतलब यू लूज इट कि ये कैसे बोला या ये कैसे किया. वन थिंग दैट रियली इरिटेट्स यू, लाइक
I don't know. It will be very hard to even think. But yeah, I think if Percy was here, he would have said she loses her top every 20 seconds. नहीं, मैं I don't think.
if Percy doesn't click a good picture for you,
नहीं, वो भी नहीं.
nobody
मतलब-
clicks very good picture. Okay?
Yeah, he clicks very good pictures. I don't think, Riya, I can answer this, which is so bad. Why can't I answer this question?
No.
But मैं गुस्सा बहुत कर सकती हूँ. I can lose. मैं किसी को थप्पड़ मारना, I don't think so. I can do that.
मतलब that has crossed your level of gussa.
Yes,
मतलब, yeah.
but I think somebody maybe crossing limits, talking about my family, or maybe talking
Yeah.
about Percy in a bad way. तभी मैं थप्पड़ नहीं मारूंगी. मैं बोल रही हूँ
Yeah, so,
कुछ
yeah.
कुछ गाली बक दूंगी, लेकिन
Yeah.
मारना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट
Yeah.
होता है.
Yeah,
Same
so-
with you, I guess.
Yeah. Right.
Riya, I think we've had a wonderful conversation, and I'm sure women out there are totally inspired by your story. And I just want to tell you guys that, Riya has been, like I said, a very, very dynamic personality, and somebody who has been a true friend, जिसको बोलते हैं एक अच्छी दोस्त, हमेशा हमेशा sweet and supportive. Thank you, Riya, for being here.
Anytime.
This is a small gift hamper for you.
Thank you so much. Wow.
Yes,
Looks
it's
nice.
by Cocoon Beauty, and Cocoon is our title sponsor, Riya, and they have presented this to all the guests
So
on the
nice.
show. It's made in India. It's a very high-end skin and hair product.
Wow.
Yeah,
Beautiful,
it's a
nice.
brand, and there are these different skin and hair products out here.
Wow.
Yeah, so
Thank you
please
so
enjoy, and please let me know how you feel about the stuff
I'll
inside.
do that.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
I love all these things.
I am sure every lady does.
Yeah.
And guys, if you have liked this episode, friends, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please, please, please keep coming on this show, which is called Cocoon Presents Real Women, Big Stories with Telnaz Irani. Please आते रहिए, प्यार देते रहिए, because without your love, like I said, we are zero. तो प्लीज शो देखिए, पसंद कीजिए, एंड कमेंट बिलो. और अगर आपकी स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग है तो आप कमेंट कीजिए कि आपको मेरे शो पे आना है, तो मैं कमेंट्स पढ़ूंगी, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली इनवाइट one of those very inspiring stories here out here with me. You will be my guest. Bye. See you in the next episode, guys. All the best. Stay safe, stay blessed.